Have you ever wondered what shields us from the sun's harmful rays? High above us in the stratosphere lies a protective layer of gas called the ozone layer. This layer, though invisible to the naked eye, plays a critical role in safeguarding life on Earth. Composed of ozone molecules, each containing 3 oxygen atoms, this layer acts as a natural sunscreen. The ozone layer is located approximately 15 to 35 kilometers above the Earth's surface. It is not a uniform layer but varies in thickness depending on geographic location and time of year. Despite its relatively small concentration in the atmosphere, the ozone layer has a profound impact on life as we know it. The discovery of the ozone layer dates back to the early 20th century, and with it came the understanding of its importance. Scientists and researchers continue to study and monitor this crucial atmospheric layer to ensure its health and our protection. Understanding the ozone layer is crucial to comprehending the delicate balance of our planet's atmosphere. The ozone layer is our planet's natural shield against harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. UV radiation is classified into 3 types: UVA, UVB, and UVC. The ozone layer is primarily responsible for absorbing the most harmful type, UVB radiation. UVB radiation, if it were to reach the Earth's surface in high amounts, would have devastating effects on all living organisms. Exposure to high levels of UVB radiation can cause severe sunburn, skin cancers, and cataracts in humans. It can also damage plants, inhibiting their growth and reducing crop yields. The ozone layer acts like a giant filter, absorbing most of the UVB radiation before it reaches the Earth's surface. This protective layer allows only a small and manageable amount of UVB radiation to reach us, which is essential for vitamin D production in our bodies. Without the ozone layer, life on Earth would be exposed to dangerously high levels of UVB radiation, making our planet inhospitable for most forms of life. The ozone layer is a testament to the intricate and delicate balance of nature's design. For decades, human activities have been releasing harmful chemicals into the atmosphere, leading to the depletion of the ozone layer. These ozone-depleting substances include chlorofluorocarbons, halons, and methyl bromide. CFCs, once widely used in refrigerators, air conditioners, and aerosol sprays, are the primary culprits in ozone layer depletion. When released into the atmosphere, CFCs rise slowly to the stratosphere, where they are broken down by UV radiation. This breakdown releases chlorine atoms, which react with and destroy ozone molecules. Halons, used in fire extinguishers, and methyl bromide, used as a soil fumigant, also contribute to ozone depletion. These chemicals, though released in smaller quantities than CFCs, are even more potent ozone destroyers. The depletion of the ozone layer is a clear example of how human activities can have unintended and far-reaching consequences on the environment. The release of ozone-depleting substances has upset the delicate balance of the atmosphere, putting life on Earth at risk. The depletion of the ozone layer poses significant threats to human health, plant life, and marine ecosystems. Increased UV radiation reaching the Earth's surface can lead to a rise in skin cancer cases, cataracts, and weakened immune systems. Plants, the foundation of our food chain, are also vulnerable to increased UV radiation. UVB radiation can damage plant cells, hindering their growth and reducing crop yields, potentially leading to food shortages. Marine ecosystems are not spared either. Phytoplankton, microscopic organisms at the base of the marine food web, are highly sensitive to UV radiation. Increased UV exposure can disrupt their growth and reproduction, affecting the entire marine food chain. The consequences of ozone layer depletion are not limited to specific regions or species. They have global implications affecting the health of the planet and all its inhabitants. Section 5. A hole in our shield, the Antarctic ozone hole. One of the most alarming consequences of ozone layer depletion is the appearance of the ozone hole over Antarctica. Every year, during the southern hemisphere's spring, which is from August to October, a significant thinning of the ozone layer occurs over this region. The ozone hole is not a literal hole, but a region of severely depleted ozone concentration. This thinning is primarily caused by the accumulation of ozone-depleting substances in the stratosphere, coupled with specific meteorological conditions over Antarctica. The Antarctic ozone hole has raised global alarm about the vulnerability of the ozone layer and the effectiveness of international efforts to address its depletion. The hole's size fluctuates from year to year, but its persistence highlights the ongoing challenges in restoring the ozone layer. Section 6: Global Action for a Global Crisis, the Montreal Protocol. In a historic display of global cooperation, the world came together in 1987 to address the ozone layer crisis. The Montreal Protocol on substances that deplete the ozone layer stands as a landmark environmental treaty, aiming to phase out the production and consumption of ODS. The Montreal Protocol is a testament to the power of international collaboration in tackling global environmental issues. It set forth legally binding targets for reducing and eventually eliminating the production and consumption of ODS. The protocol's success is attributed to its flexible framework, allowing for adjustments based on scientific assessments and technological advancements. It also established a multilateral fund to assist developing countries in phasing out ODS. The Montreal Protocol has been hailed as one of the most successful environmental treaties ever implemented, demonstrating that global action can make a difference. It serves as a beacon of hope and a model for addressing other global environmental challenges. Section 7: Healing Our Shield, Signs of Recovery and Challenges Ahead. Thanks to the collective efforts under the Montreal Protocol, the ozone layer is showing signs of recovery. The atmospheric concentrations of ODS have been steadily declining, and the ozone layer is projected to return to pre-1980 levels by the middle of the century. The recovery of the ozone layer is a testament to the effectiveness of global cooperation and the importance of evidence-based policy making. It demonstrates that human actions can reverse environmental damage and restore the delicate balance of our planet. However, challenges remain. Some ODS, though banned, are long-lived and will persist in the atmosphere for decades. Furthermore, the illegal production and trade of ODS continue to pose a threat to the ozone layer's recovery. Continuous monitoring of the ozone layer, enforcement of regulations, and development of ozone-friendly alternatives are crucial to ensure the long-term health of the ozone layer. The journey towards a fully restored ozone layer requires sustained commitment and vigilance. Section 8: Our role in ozone protection. Every action counts. Protecting the ozone layer is not just the responsibility of governments and industries. Every individual can contribute to its preservation. By making informed choices and adopting ozone-friendly practices, we can collectively make a difference. One simple step is to properly dispose of old refrigerators, air conditioners, and other appliances containing ODS. Check for ozone-friendly labels when purchasing new appliances and avoid products containing CFCs or other ODS. Support businesses and organizations that are committed to ozone-friendly practices. Educate others about the importance of ozone layer protection and encourage them to make responsible choices. Every small action, when multiplied by millions, can have a significant positive impact on the ozone layer. Our collective efforts can ensure a healthy ozone layer for generations to come. Section 9: Safeguarding Our Future, a Continuing Commitment. The ozone layer crisis serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet and the profound impact of human actions on the environment. It highlights the need for continued vigilance, innovation, and global cooperation to safeguard our planet's future. As we celebrate the successes of the Montreal Protocol and the signs of the ozone layer's recovery, we must not become complacent. The fight to protect the ozone layer is an ongoing journey, requiring sustained commitment and proactive measures. Let us continue to support policies and initiatives that promote the use of ozone-friendly technologies, strengthen regulations against ODS, and raise awareness about the importance of ozone layer protection. The future of our planet depends on our collective actions today. By working together, we can ensure a healthy and vibrant Earth for generations to come, where the ozone layer continues to shield us from the sun's harmful rays.